Swaziland is a monarchy, has a king. It's the last absolute monarchy in the world.
We call him King Noah. So that lets you a little bit know kind of the king.
He could be more benevolent and helpful to his people. The culture is somewhat pretty strong, especially in the rural areas of polygamy is legal over there. What do they call it?
They don't call it polygamy. You say you have as many wives as you can afford to take care of.
And the magic age is 35, which means you should be able to support a wife or more than one wife by the age of 35. But that's the older culture. It's not so much that way anymore. It used to be that the girls could get married at 14, and their parents would kind of choose it. They do have lobola, which really a bride price, or they have to pay so many cows for their wife, like Johnny Lingo, which I don't like that movie anymore.
Lobola's still very strong.
Lobola's strong over there. In order to have a wife, you have to pay cows or money to her family, which is a big deterrent for a lot of members getting married. Unemployment is high, and so they don't have the means of support that they would like. So that causes problem. The food, they have a staple over there called pop, which is cornmeal mixed with water. And that's kind of throughout Africa, I guess. But we had one member tell us that she couldn't go more than 4 days without having pop.
We never gained the taste for it, so it
wasn't our favorite.
Not even that.
You can get a tract of land or plot of land for one cow, pay to the king. And depending on, you negotiate with the chief of, the areas are divided into chieftains, I guess you'd call them, and you can negotiate the size of your plot with the chief. It only costs you a cow, but you don't own it. If the king wants, or the chief wants you to move off for any reason, they can move you if they want to use it for something else. What else?
They have lots of, back to food a little bit, they have the pop, but they have lots of chickens. There's chickens all over the place. And so they have chicken, they put it in with a broth and some veggies, and then they put that, and that's what they eat with the pop. And a lot of cabbage, because cabbage is inexpensive there. Basically, if you're in the rural, a common person, or that is what you would eat. And they eat pop morning, noon, and night. And so that's why I think people would come and visit, and they may say, well, they don't look like the African, because they are again, Swaziland, I think, is the second in the world in poverty. And so they say, well, they don't look like the sunken bellies like you see the African children they show you. And I think it's to do with the pop, because the pop makes them feel full. It gives them, but it's no nutrients. They're short people, and we heard that that's because there's no nutrition value to their diet, and so they don't grow strong and.
It's hard to tell the age of children because
they look very young, and the adults look very young.
You might think somebody's 5 or 6, and they could be 11, 12 years old.